It is my honor to present this year's annual IMS Awards. Tonight we will award the Merit John F. Sanford, Washington Freeman Peck, Physician Community Service, and the Presidential Citation Awards. A listing of past award winners is in your meeting pocket agenda. First, we'll start with the Merit Award. The Merit Award is given to a physician who has made outstanding contributions to the medical profession and the Iowa Medical Society. It is among the highest awards the Medical Society presents to an Iowa physician. And tonight's honoree could not be more deserving. Dr. Dave Thomas is a family physician with the McFarland Clinic in Marshalltown. He is a homegrown and educated Iowan. Born in Clinton, a graduate of the University of Iowa College of Medicine. His distinguished career spans nearly 40 years of service in Marshalltown community and the communities in and around Marshall County. Dr. Thomas' leadership in advancing quality health care dates back to the 1980s, when his involvement with the Iowa Foundation for Medical Care, now Telegen, began. His leadership with that organization continues today. In 2003, the American Health Quality Association honored him with the Excellence in Physician Leadership Award. In 2008, the Iowa Academy of Family Physicians presented him with the Lifetime Achievement Award, and now it is our turn. On more than one occasion, I've heard the Iowa Medical Society staff remark, "Oh, we love Dr. Thomas." Indeed, Dave, you are a cherished member of this organization. Dave chairs the Committee on Medical Services, has been a delegate to the House of Delegates every year since 1989, and this year he served on the IMS Ad Hoc Policy Setting and Governance Task Force, a body which has recommended historic changes to the way Iowa Medical Society has conducted its business for more than 160 years. He is a walking history book of IMS annual meetings. Oh, the stories he can tell. He is admired by many for his skills as a physician. He is adored by those who work with him for his good humor, wit, and kindness, and he is appreciated by us, his IMS colleagues, for his dedication and service to the profession. Please join me in congratulating Dr. Dave Thomas, recipient of the 2014 IMS Award.
Those of you that know me know that I can't pass up a chance to talk. I'm truly humbled by the opportunity to receive this award. As I looked at the list of people that have received it over the last 30 years, I've had the good fortune of knowing most of them, being mentored by many of them, and it's indeed a great honor to be here. As you know, as Vicki said, I've been involved in a lot of things for a long time here. Probably the bulk of my non-professional work, non-clinic professional work has been with what was then known as the Iowa Foundation for Medical Care at a time when it was not very popular and at a time when I was not very popular as we tried to improve healthcare quality in a time when the emphasis from our government was finding problems as opposed to improving the processes. And I'm happy to say that whole emphasis of quality improvement is process improvement now instead of catching people doing something that they didn't really mean to do. The really good news is that IFMC is no more. It changed its name a couple years ago to Telegen, and furthermore, Telegen has been sold to its employees, and the proceeds of that have gone to a 501c3. And by law, we have to give some of that money to other charitable organizations. Telegen Community Initiatives is going to be giving $1.5 million each year for the foreseeable future to various healthcare endeavors, whether they be scholarships or various other kinds of organizations. And so you will see some opportunities to apply for those grants in the near future. And it's really neat to see what began in 1970 as a little tiny offshoot of IMS proceed to a point that $1.5 million in grants can be given every year. Thank you so much for this award.